Turning your engine AJ417. Turning good, all compressions complete. In the front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no brakes, all nice, all good. And this side engines looks good, as you can see. Starter look as well, no damage, no brakes. On the top, as you can see, all connectors and injectors looks good, no damage, no brakes, all nice. Gearbox look as well, as you can see, no damage, no brakes, all nice, all good. And on this side, engines looks good, engines turbo looks good, no damage, no brakes. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ417.